Bonjour, mon nom c'est Jérémy Tagan, je travaille pour Deus Ex Machina, and this is my radio review. When I arrived in Australia in November 06, I ended up to walk in the store with a friend of mine because I was helping him to fix a Vespa because he looked like a bike shop, but it was completely different then. And so we got talking, we got the parts we needed, but the guys were straight away really friendly, and we talking to us like, well, what do you guys need? Tools? And well, I'm a mechanic. And he said, well, if you want a job, they said, well, just come have a trial and we'll get you on board. I've been doing this job now for 15 years with Deus, but what I've been doing with them and what I'm doing now, I hope I can do this until I retire. The Royal Enfield has been a really strong flavors right through COVID the last few months, but we got 3 very interesting builds to do, and we started with the Presidente, which is a 650 Royal Enfield Interceptor. And this one was a very Japanese low rider, very shiny, black and chrome, stainless sort of build. It was very exceptional looking handlebar and clean mini switch, and it was a special look. It was really new. It's the first time we were just doing those builds, and we found it really lots of parts out there. That was the first thing that was really helpful because we could find a lot of parts to work with. A lot of inspirations and styles that we could see online that it's happening. There's a lot of people that are using them, and to work on was as well really everything was working very well. Like the lines were good. It was not overcomplicated on wiring or disassembling and put it together. We just work with some good product and we make it even looking better. Ride a lot when I was younger, but lately I tend to ride a little less. But I enjoy riding any styles or any bikes. I like the little one that you can zip around cities and in and out, or I don't mind as well the heavier one. My ride to work is about now half an hour, which is fantastic. It used to be a lot smaller, and you don't get to the level where you actually enjoy the ride because it's so quick. I tend to really change my ways. I don't stick to the one exact same road every day. So sometimes I just explore a few more turns and then end up to 10, 40 minutes or 45. You know. So doing this job, I hope I can do this forever. It's fantastic. We're super well connected with customers. We get connection with new customers all the time. And I've never built twice the exact same bike. Every time is different. So it's really a fantastic job to do. I was very lucky.